Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today it is another Poundland haul. I've been loving Poundland at the moment. I've actually found a really large Poundland, which is brilliant because the one that I used to go to was such a small one and it didn't have hardly any of the good stuff. So I found a relatively big Poundland. They have a Pep & Co as well, so you know that it's going to be quite a big store. So I've got a few bits that I want to share with you today. We've got this big bag of stuff, so I'm just going to delve in with the first item. So there is a bit of a mixture of like household items and a few little bits and pieces. So the first item that I picked up were these Kleenex balsam tissues. Now it's always handy to have one of these, even if it's in your handbag. I'd like to keep them at home in the drawer because I know I do suffer from a bit of hay fever. Sam really suffers, so it's good to have these. We also have the sort of big boxes as well that are sort of situated in the living room, but it's good to have one of these handy if you're out and about, and they come in really nice little small individual packets. Now these are brilliant because they're £1 each and they're actually the balsam ones. Balm care, so they've got aloe vera, vitamin E and calendula. Do we know what that is? So it's going to be really soft on the nose and it's going to help to sort of alleviate that kind of red nose look that you can get when you've got a cold. So I got those. Next up as well, sticking to household, I got this hang about picture hanging kit. Now I think this was £2 actually, but you get so much stuff in here. So if I just turn it over, you do get sort of picture hooks at the bottom there. You get some wire as well if you want to hang like a mirror or something. You get some screws, which is really handy, some other picture hooks, some raw plugs, and then more picture hanging stuff, which is really good because we've got a few pictures that we need to hang and we haven't got any left. So I thought they were really good for like £2, and there is 200 pieces in there altogether. So I thought that was really handy and really good value. Next up as well, as you know, I've been loving the new Comfort Scents. They seem to do these ones at £2. Obviously, if you go buy them from Tesco or Morrison's or Asda, you might pay a little bit more than that, but they always seem to have sort of a special offer going on. This is when I like to pick up the Comfort. So I've got this one in strawberry and lily this time. Can I just confirm the one that I bought in my last haul, and I'll leave a link above for that video, is absolutely amazing and I will be definitely buying it again. Again, that is really nice as well. I do like the other one though, it's really nice. So, but I want to see what this one smells like on my clothes as well. So really loving these new ones, and I kind of like the packaging as well. The packaging's really good, but I would never pay full price for a bottle of Comfort. I always go for the ones in the sale. So I think they were £2 for those. Right, next up we've got some sparkle and shine headbands. Now I was so in love with these after seeing them on a fellow vlogger, and I'll put, it's Chucky Kaz. Hi Chucky Kaz, I hope you're okay. I pinched your idea of the little ears to wear just to hold your hair back when you're doing your makeup, and I think they look super cute. So yeah, so these are £1 obviously, and I just thought they were really cute with the little sequin ears. I thought they were just sweet, and would be perfect to just hold my hair back well, even when you're like cleansing your face on an evening. You can wear one of those white bands, but really handy just to hold your hair out of the way if you're taking your makeup off, you're putting your makeup on. It's just pretty and just a bit girly, which is what we all love. So thank you. If you're interested in looking at Chucky Kaz is videos, she does some brilliant videos as well, very similar to my own. I will leave all her information in the description bar below if you're interested. Yeah, so that was that one. Next up as well, you can never go wrong with a bottle of Radox. Again, these were all £1, so I picked up the lavender and water lily. Lavender is obviously good at promoting a nice restful sleep, so yeah, I thought this one was brilliant. And let's have a little smell. Smells absolutely gorgeous as well. So yeah, they were really handy for £1, so I got one of those. Right, next up as well, I got a pack of batteries. I actually opened these already because I needed them, but these are just a pack of AAAs, and they were just £1 as well, and you actually get one free, so you get 11 in a packet, which I thought was really handy. They were £1. Right, so next up as well, I actually picked up a little bag of cashew nuts. Sometimes I like to nibble on a few of these in the day just to get the good fats. These are always good for good fats. So yeah, I always like to nibble on a couple of nuts and things in the daytime just to take away any sort of mid-morning hunger pangs. I got some of those and they were £1. Then I saw these brushes, and I think if you watch Chocky Kaz as well, she picked up a couple of these, but these are so pretty because, let me just take this out of the packet. Okay, I need some scissors. So they come in a packet, as you can see. Let me just slice open the packet. And they come like that. Can you see that? All these like crystals, which look so pretty in the handle. And this one's kind of like a tapered, slanted brush there. This is quite good if you want to like contour. If you want to contour into the hollows of the cheeks, or if you want to just use for a little bit of highlight, that's really good for that. It's kind of a flattish kind of brush, but obviously an angled brush, as you can see. So I got that one, that was £1. And then the other one was a double-ended. Let me just open this one as well. This one was a double-ended brush, so you've got kind of like a biggish brush on that end, if you can see that. And then if I just turn it round, this one's a slightly smaller end there, and obviously you've got the like crystally middle, which I thought was really nice, and it comes in like a gold, lovely focus. Comes in like a lovely gold finish there with like gold and silver crystals, which I thought were really pretty. So there was that one. So a really good bargain if you're interested in some makeup brushes. They did have different ones as well, so I'd go in and check those out. In the makeup section as well, I did pick up a couple of the nail polishes. Now I know Chocky Kaz always says the nail polishes are really good, and I wanted to test them for myself, so I picked up this particular colour, which is kind of like a pinky sort of shimmer colour, if you can see that there. And then this one, which is the colour that I've got on, is kind of like a glittery sort of red with glitter inside, as you can see on my fingers. I've got a top coat on as well, but you can see how pretty that is. It looks really nice, doesn't it? So yeah, that's what I've got on my nails, which I thought was really nice. And to be honest, it goes on like a dream as well. It's a really good sort of mixture of nail polish. It's not thin. I expected it to be, because it was £1, that it was going to be quite thin and it's going to need a couple of coats. You could get away with one coat really. I like to put 2 on because I just like that extra sort of depth of colour. But yeah, it was really good coverage. It's pretty quick drying as well, so that's really handy, because I'm always one of these that I want to paint my nails and I want to go. I don't want to be sitting here like literally like this. I just want to be ready, and you know, I don't like waiting for my nails to dry. I end up getting them smudged, which is usually why I like the gel finish, because it's like under the lamp and it's done. But that just takes a bit longer, and if you just want to keep swapping polishes, it's easy to just like use a normal polish that you can just take off with nail polish remover. So this is really handy because it's quite quick drying, and it does say as well that it's a quick dry. Now it probably takes about a minute, which I know is not a lot, to dry. And again, I put 2 coats on and then I popped a top coat on. So in total, to be perfectly dry, I'd probably give yourself 5 minutes, which is not a lot really in the grand scheme of things. So I thought that was really good. And I might even look out for some more colours because I love them. I haven't tried this one yet, but I will do after I've worn this one. Right, just to mention as well, I forgot to say, I did pick up a packet of these batteries as well. These are double A's. Again, you get 10 plus 1 free, so handy if you need batteries. So that's that one. Next up as well, in the makeup section, they got some really good makeup at the moment. I mean, really good. This is your Makeup Academy Undress Your Skin Illuminating Liquid Glow. Now, I haven't tested this. As you can see, it's still in the packet. So I'm going to open it. So it comes in a packet. I mean, it's not very good for recycling, is it? So it comes in a packet. And then this has also got like a plastic cellophane all over it as well. Poundland need to cut down the packaging. So let's get this off. Right. Right, so that's off now. So this is a pink shimmer. I think they might have done different shades, but I'm not totally sure. Now I'm going to just swatch this on the back of my hand. So let me just put a bit on there. Can you see that? You see that? It's very subtle, but it's really nice. Can you see that? If I tilt it this way, you can see it a little bit better. It's very, very pinkish. Now, what I'll do is I'll put a little bit on my finger, and I'll just dot it on my cheek here. See what that looks like. Maybe it'll show up better. You can see that. You can definitely see that sort of pink glow. Let's do the other side. This side's not in the light as much. I like the fact that it's not mega like shiny. I mean, at my age, it's alright for a little bit of highlight, you know what I mean? But, you know, I'm not 20 anymore, so I've got to watch how much of this stuff I put on. Yeah, so there we go. Can you see that? I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. That's a nice glow. Nice and subtle, which is what I like. So this one's a pink shimmer. So, yeah, I mean, check those out. That's what the packaging looks like. If the light's not too terrible. It looks like that. So that was that one. Right, last couple of things as well is they had some really funky pens in at Poundland, and I always love a crystal pen. So there was this one. Again, I don't know how these write because I'm a bit picky on how they do write, but this one's got like the lovely crystals inside, kind of like Swarovski's, but obviously they're clearly not. But that one was nice, like that one. So I picked that one up. And then last one, I loved this one with the little diamond on the top. Can you see that? I thought that was really nice. Is that in focus? I thought that one was really nice with the diamond on the top. And that one looks like that. It's a little bit top heavy, but it's so cute for writing with, you know what I mean? So I thought I'd try those ones out and see what kind of writers they are. Let me test them out. Let's see how nice they are. Right, so that one is a fairly decent writer. It's a nice black pen. I quite like that. That one writes really well. This one doesn't write as well, but it's still quite nice as well. But once you get into it, it might write a little bit better. The ink might just need warming up a little bit. So that's everything for the haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.